In this lesson, we will explain how to use the Python SDK. First, open the XINGYING software. Click the button to open the data casting pane. Here, select the NIC address. There are two addresses available. We will select 10.11.198. Click on Enable SDK. Load the data. You can also connect the camera to playback in live mode. Open the file related to the Python SDK. There is documentation that describes how to use the SDK and how to configure your environment. Install the necessary packages. Let's copy this here. Type cmd here and press enter. Copy this, then download and install it. This has already been installed, so I won't cover that again. Open the documentation. Now copy the corresponding IP address. Then type mad here. Copy and paste the corresponding IP address. This IP address should match the network card address in our XINGYING. Press enter. Now we have access to the motion capture data. Let's pause XINGYING and examine the motion capture data. The motion capture data for each frame starts here. Each data point has a corresponding frame number. This timestamp matches the one in XINGYING. Number of marker sets. Name of the marker set. The number of marker points in each set. The ID of the marker point and its coordinates. XYZ position coordinates. Number of rigid body markers. The ID of each rigid body marker and its X, Y, and Z position coordinates. The XYZ position coordinates for each rigid body marker. TX, TY, TZ positional coordinates of the rigid body, and the quaternion values Q, Q, Y, Q, Z, Q, W. Here, you can see the number of unnamed marker points, their IDs, and their X, Y, and Z coordinates.